Welcome to Valley Ridge. Guess where we are right now? We're on a walking path that'll take you all the way down to Bow River, that'll take you all the way down to the dog park, and that will also take you to Bow Park. We're within steps to COP, the new farmers market, and guess what? Only an hour away is our beautiful Rocky Mountains. You're not gonna wanna miss our brand new listing right here in Valley Ridge. Are you ready? Let's take a look. Just a little bit of this beautiful house. Are you ready to see a few of my favorite parts? First off, look at this amazing hardwood flooring connecting the entire level. Over and above that, as I'm sure you can tell, the abundance of natural light engulfing every single room of the house. And finally, the backyard oasis. You have a two-tier deck, perfect for those family gatherings, a beautiful little pond, and massive trees for privacy. Now you're not gonna wanna miss the beautiful upstairs bonus room. You ready? Let's go check it out. Now, I heard you wanted views. And of course, we're gonna deliver. You have beautiful views of COP downtown and the valley with green space right next door. Is this your dream home and you want more information on it? Well, our phone number's below. Give us a call. We're here to help, and we'll see you on the next one.